Hysteroscopy is inspection of uterine cavity by endoscopy with access through the cervix. It allows for the diagnosis of intrauterine pathology and serves as a method of treatment. So it is a visualization of uterine cavity by endoscopy, which use either diagnosis and treatment. Indication of hysteroscopy: either diagnosis or treatment. First one, Asherman syndrome, which is intrauterine adhesion resulted from aggressive curettage. Second one, endometrial polyp, for removal of endometrial polyp. Third one, for diagnosis of abnormal uterine bleeding. Fourth one, for diagnosis of adenomyosis, which is implantation of endometrial gland in the myometrium. Fifth one, endometrial ablation, which is a treatment of heavy menstrual bleeding, surgical treatment of heavy menstrual bleeding. Sixth one, myomectomy for fibroid. Sometimes intrauterine fibroid can treat it through the cervix by hysteroscopy. For diagnosis of congenital uterine malformation. Evacuation of retained piece of product. Removal of missed IUCD, intrauterine cervical device. And the last one for tubal sterilization or tubal ligation. All these indication of hysteroscopy, either diagnosis or treatment. So the contraindication for hysteroscopy: if there is pelvic infection, pregnancy, or CA cervix, or heavy uterine bleeding. All these contraindication for hysteroscopy. What is the equipment? What are the equipments used for hysteroscopy? First one, hysteroscope. Hysteroscope, either rigid or flexible hysteroscope. Second one, uterine distension media, either by gas, CO2, or low viscosity fluid, normal saline, 5% dextrose, or mannitol, or high viscosity fluid. Mechanical instrument like scissor, grasping, and biopsy forceps or monopolar electrode. And the last one, resectoscope. These equipment used for hysteroscopy. hysteroscope الجهاز اللي ندخل بيه اليوتراين ديستنشن ميديا، الميديا اللي راح تسوي لنا ديستنشن separation between separation of the uterine cavity. الميكانيكال انسترومنت اللي راح نستخدمها، نستخدم جراسبر، نستخدم سيزر، نستخدم فورسبس. and the last one الريسكتوسكوب. resectoscope for cutting. Complication of hysteroscope. Like any instrument or like any operation, have complication, either early complication or late complication. Early complication, the most common complication occur fluid overload and electrolyte disturbance. First one, fluid overload and electrolyte disturbance, which is the most serious one and the most risky one. Uterine perforation, bleeding, trauma to the cervix or adjacent organ, gas embolism, and pelvic infection. So these occur within hours to day, within hours to day. Early complication, either the first one, fluid overload and electrolyte disturbance, which is the most common and most risky complication. Trauma to the cervix or adjacent organ, bleeding, perforation, gas embolism, and pelvic infection. Late complication, intrauterine adhesion. After hysteroscope can occur intrauterine adhesion. Sometimes uterine rupture. Weakest area of the uterus ممكن يسوي لنا in subsequent pregnancy uterine rupture. Hematometra, collection of the blood inside the uterine cavity, or sometimes complication of pregnancy. In subsequent pregnancy, complication of pregnancy اللي هي تشمل لنا ممكن يصير placenta accreta، ممكن يصير miscarriage، ممكن intrauterine growth retardation. complication of pregnancy. Complication of hysteroscope, either early complication which occur within hours to day, or late complication which occur within weeks to years. This regarding to the hysteroscopy. The second subject in our lecture, laparoscopy. Laparoscopy, which include visualization of abdominal cavity through abdominal wall. Visualization of the abdominal cavity through abdominal wall. Indication of laparoscopy in obstetric and gynecology. First one, either diagnosis and treatment for subfertility, acute and chronic pelvic pain, congenital pelvic abnormality, ectopic pregnancy, staging of CA ovary, pelvic inflammatory disease, unexplained pelvic mass, endometriosis, and adnexial torsion. These are indications of laparoscopy in obstetric and gynecology. Diagnosis and treatment. Contraindication for laparoscopy, like contraindication laparoscopy in general surgery, inflammatory bowel disease, large abdominal mass, advanced pregnancy after 20 weeks of gestation, multiple abdominal incision due to the adhesion, bowel obstruction, generalized peritonitis, diaphragmatic hernia, major intraperitoneal hemorrhage, and massive obesity. All these contraindication of laparoscopy. Contraindication of laparoscopy in obstetric and gynecology and general surgery. What are the equipments used for laparoscopy? First one, laparoscope. Laparoscope. Second one, versus needle. Two, versus needle to insufflate the abdomen with gas at the start of laparoscopy. Trocar and cannula. This is trocar and cannula act as a conduct for laparoscopy. Laparoscopic insufflator, suction or irrigation pump, and mechanical instrument. So first one, laparoscope. Second one, versus needle. Versus needle to enter the abdominal cavity to insufflate the abdomen with the gas. Trocar and cannula. Trocar and cannula act as a conductor for laparoscope. Laparoscopic insufflator, suction and irrigation pump, and mechanical instrument like scissor, like forceps, like electrode, okay, and tissue forceps. Complication of laparoscopy. Either intraoperative complication or post-operative complication. Intraoperative complication during operation, like any intervention, laparoscopic have complication. First one, ممكن bowel injury or vascular injury, bladder injury, surgical emphysema, or anesthetic complication. These are intraoperative complication of laparoscopy. Post-operative complication, either venous thromboembolism, infection, port site hernia, or sometime bleeding. So like hysteroscopy, it have either early complication and late complication. نسميها intraoperative complication or post-operative complication. Injury to the bladder, to the vascular, to the bowel injury, ureteric injury, surgical emphysema due to the gas distension, or sometime anesthetic complication. Post-op complication, venous thromboembolism, ممكن infection، ممكن bleeding يصير عندنا، ممكن port site hernia. هذه محاضرتنا لهذا اليوم. إذا عندكم أي سؤال أو استفسار